What up, crew? Welcome to Featuring You, episode 11, the Halloween special for the Haunted Deck Effect. Let's do it. Oh man, I can barely breathe in here. So glad that intro is over. Ugh. For those of you who don't know, Featuring You is a series that I came up with a while back just to showcase other magicians' talents based on a theme or topic that I have set for the month. So of course, it being Halloween, I wanted to do a haunted deck effect. Out of all the entries that were submitted, only 3 will be featured on this channel today, but I want to give a huge shout out to everyone that sent in an entry. I really enjoyed watching every single one of them, and of course this video would not be possible without your entries, so thank you so much. Now that being said, here we go. Let's begin. Now the first entry that was sent in was by Griffin Meier, very talented individual I've known for quite some time. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. Boom, classic ribbon spread turnover. Basic stuff. Okay, 4 of spades. Remember, 4 of spades was selected. Some undercuts right there. Easy, easy. Oh. Oh my god. It's magic. It's magic. That was my card. That was the selected card. Unreal. Unreal. And by the way, the links to all these channels will be down in the description below. Make sure to go and check them out. Now let's move on to the next one. This guy, CardMechanic Tutorials. He's unbelievable. Okay, I've known him for the longest time before I even had 1K subscribers. Let's check him out. Okay, here we go. An empty box. No big deal. I have those all the time. Boom. Empty. Okay, another empty box. No big deal. No big deal. Here we go. Deck is nice and shuffled. Here it is. Okay. A lot of shuffling going on, but that's fine. I know how to do that. Okay, looks like the deck was cut randomly. Okay. Okay, we got Queen of Spades selected. Here we go. Shouldn't go in the box. Nothing. Oh! Huh! He just came out the other side. What? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Madness! Madness! How is this possible? No way! No! What? I need to see those empty boxes. I need to see the boxes empty right now. Wow. 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 I don't know. Now this next guy, Fading Ace, definitely a great guy to know. Make sure you subscribe to him. But first, let's check out his entry.
So
Seems to be a much longer video.
Can take the paper clip.
Okay, we got a paper clip.
They can paper clip any card they would like.
Okay.
So let's say they paper clip this card right here.
Okay, a card was paper clipped.
So after that is done, I would then slide the card out, and I would show the spectator the card they paper clipped.
It's a 6 of spades. Remember, 6 of spades.
After that is done, I would instruct the spectator to place their card face down on the table.
Okay.
And I
okay, the
would
paperclip looks
pick
like
up
it was
the
just
deck,
there for the selection.
And let's say we deal, I don't know, this many cards.
Okay, we're aggressively
now,
dealing
we don't
down
need
cards
the rest
now.
Of the deck.
Just a few of them. It didn't seem like a lot.
After that is done, the pile can be cut as much as the spectator.
Okay, it's a pretty small pile,
like,
but it's been cut a few times.
So they can cut it as much.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay.
I would then take the cards back, and I would go ahead and rearrange the cards some. Say, okay. Okay,
cards were rearranged. I don't know how I feel about that. Something fishy could be going on.
No, I think we'll leave it the way it is, actually.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and deal them out like this. Get these
There's
all
6
in the
cards.
frame
Notice my
here.
card was a 6 of
Now,
spades.
because
Coincidence?
the paperclip helped
I don't
find
know.
your selection, we're going to use this again, but this time we're going to take some fishing line. That might be hard to see.
I can see
don't
it.
have a rubber band.
I can
so
see it,
some
don't worry, I
fishing
can see it.
line. Think you can see that. We're going to take the paper clip, this tiny paper clip, and we're going to put the fishing line through the paper clip.
Okay, I can do that. I just don't have any of that stuff on me
So
right now. But I can do that.
The paper clip is on top. So we're going to see if the paper clip can find your selection. So let's see what it does here.
Okay, here we go. Is it moving? Oh! Paperclip's moving.
Don't know if you can see that.
Okay, just
But
jump to the other
really
side.
went down that time. Okay, let's see if it does anything. Starting to go back a little.
Interesting.
Well. Oh, no, look at that.
Okay, I'm looking.
Is it gonna go anywhere else?
Here we go.
See if this whoa. Okay, look at that. Oh. Well, it's above 1 card, and it isn't doing anything.
Okay.
So I guess I'll leave it right there.
Okay, so 1 card. 1 card
So
right
now
there.
I will show the spectator all of the cards here on the table.
Here we go.
We have the 9 of
That's
clubs.
not my card.
We have the Jack of clubs.
All clubs.
We have the 7
I
of
lied, not all
diamonds.
clubs.
The 9 of hearts. The 9 of
Here we go.
spades.
Here we go.
I would ask the spectator to say their card out loud, and I would show the 6
That's
of
my card.
spades.
That's
Hope
my
you
card.
like that.
That's my card right there. 6 of spades was my selected card. Nice. Oh man, it really does start to get very hot. Like, oh. So those are all the videos that I'll be featuring. Thanks again to everyone who entered, because this video really would not be possible without you. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next featuring you. Peace out.